Hi guys, welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my trading journal with you. So to access it, just click the link in the description below. If you stay around to the end of this video, I also have a bonus that I would share as well. So hope you find it useful and you enjoy the video and you share it with your friends. So this is my options trading journal. If you trade options, this would be great for you to use. To access this, you just want to go to File and then click Make a Copy, and then you have your own copy. So you just enter the date, the ticker, contract expiry date, strike price, contract type, call or put, number of contracts, entry price, exit price, your cash balance. It's up to you. Percentage profit or loss will be calculated based on these inputs, and then you have your profit or loss. And you always want to put in, at least I recommend putting in the type of setup you played that day, and you want to also grade yourself, right? So that's just the basic tour of the sheet. It's really straightforward and simple, I think. And then on this tab right here, the quick starts, you would be able to see stuff like your net profit, you can put in your cost basis or fees, and you'll be able to see what your performance is like, right? Your total winning trades, losing trades, your win rate, average win, average loss, average profit per trade, your highest winning trade, and your average loss per trade or highest profit per trade. And this little nice pie chart shows you if you're profitable, what you're doing, and this would be able to show you over a good sample size, say 20 to 50 trades, to see if you're consistent following one setup or the other, right? Like, I think this would help a lot, especially for people just starting out. And remember I said I had a bonus, right? So I'll show you the bonus. The bonus is a trading report card. You fill this out every day. You put in the date, your mindset, the market sentiment. Mindset, okay, for mindset, you can say, oh, I was angry because I missed breakfast or something, right? Or I was anxious because I had a bad day yesterday, just stuff like that. And then market sentiment, are people still worried about inflation? Is there going to be new data coming out concerning the real estate market or oil, COVID? Just write down the market sentiment. And then you write down the tickers you traded, your trading plan for those tickers. You want to also put in the good, like what was the good thing you did that day, right? What was the outcome? What was the bad thing you did? And the bad thing, obviously, you don't want to repeat those bad things going forward. And then you want to grade yourself based on your own grading scale. So you set up your own grading criteria, right? And you grade yourself for that day. And then you can leave remarks. What did you learn overall? What could you have done better? How would you trade differently next time? This report card would help you track your mistakes and see how consistent you are. Trading is really lonely, and no one is going to be there to be like, hey, you're doing this wrong, go fix this. It's up to you to make sure you fix your mistakes if you want to actually improve. It's a great skill to have. Don't give up. Use these tools wisely, and I think they'll be helpful. I have a good feeling about it. Okay, that's it. Hope you loved the journal and the tool I shared, and it helps you with your trading journey. Thank you for watching. Until next time, take care.